Hey everyone, and welcome to the launch of something we know you've all been eagerly waiting for. Today we're bringing you a full lineup of premium, beautiful, powerful flagship 5G devices, the OnePlus 8 series. We increased the haze level in the glass finish to the highest level in the industry. The OnePlus 8 Pro is silky smooth to the touch. And now for the colors, ultramarine blue and onyx black. Well, there's a new option for you this time. Glacial green, the punch hole front-facing camera. And at only 3.8 millimeters in diameter, you'll hardly even notice it's there, is IP68 rated. The OnePlus 8 Pro has the highest spec display in the universe. It comes with a 6.7-inch screen with QHD Plus resolution at 513 pixels per inch. And it can get super bright. It can hit 4,096 different levels of brightness, with a peak brightness of up to 1,300 nits. We're bringing you a billion colors, with a B. This makes images and HDR videos richer, more colorful, and much more lifelike. You're also getting much more honest color than before. The OnePlus 8 Pro has a JNCD of 0.4, which means that the colors you see on your phone are practically identical to the same colors you see in real life. 120 hertz. Has a 240 hertz touch sampling rate. Our end goal is to make sure our hardware and software work together as smoothly as possible. It's our custom MEMC chip. It means motion estimate, motion compensation. Basically, it inserts one or more additional frames after each original frame in the video to make it look much smoother. You can choose either 60 FPS or 120 FPS, or you can even turn it off in the settings. This is the biggest camera upgrade we've ever delivered in a OnePlus phone. It has a 48 megapixel main camera with a custom-made Sony sensor, a 48 megapixel ultra-wide lens with a full 120-degree field of view, a telephoto lens with 3 times hybrid and 30 times digital zoom, and a unique color filter camera. This is the first ever quad camera setup on a OnePlus phone. Now, the bigger the sensor in your camera, the more light it receives, which decreases noise and increases dynamic range. Now check out the detail and the color in these sample shots. We've used the flagship level Sony IMX586 sensor, which gives it 48 megapixels, just like the main camera. Now that is the most in any smartphone ultra-wide camera. Now you can get clear, sharp images even in the dark, just like in this comparison with the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Also has a telephoto lens with 3 times hybrid and 30 times digital zoom. And we've also added a 4th camera on the OnePlus 8 Pro, a unique color filter camera that enables you to express the artist within through lighting effects and filters. So the OnePlus 8 Pro is equipped with hybrid image stabilization, combining OIS and EIS for much more stable videos. Also included 3 high-precision microphones that reduce noise when shooting video to capture clear stereo audio. The OnePlus 8 Pro can weave together 3 different exposures into one frame with a higher dynamic range, filling in both shadow and well-lit areas for clearer, more colorful details. And this is from the OnePlus 8 Pro. We'll let you be the judge. So that's the OnePlus 8 Pro camera system. The OnePlus 8 Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 865 mobile platform. It comes with up to 12 gigabytes of LPDDR5 RAM, which is almost 30% faster than the previous generation, with 20% lower power consumption, up to 256 gigabytes of UFS 3.0 storage. The OnePlus 8 Pro's stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos will completely surround you with exciting, high-quality sound. Haptic motor with stronger vibration will bring your games to life. Now, 4,510 milliamp hours. Say hello to Warp Charge 30 wireless. It supports reverse charging, so you can use the OnePlus 8 Pro to charge some of your accessories. We've added 280 new optimizations to make navigation and scrolling smoother and more fluid than ever before. And we're introducing new dynamic wallpapers that change with the weather. I'm excited to introduce you to the pure OnePlus 8. Engineer our hardware with refinements that are so minute, you may not even notice them unless you know what to look for. This is what we call burdenless design. The OnePlus 8 has a full 6.55-inch display. We've also shaved the thickness down to a mere 8 millimeters. That's thinner than the iPhone 11, 11 Pro, and 11 Pro Max. Almost as thin as a pencil. We've optimized the internal components to reduce the weight to just 180 grams, making it one of the lightest flagship phones you can find anywhere on the market. The color options include the same sleek onyx black and the beautiful glacial green that you've just seen for the OnePlus 8 Pro, Interstellar Glow. It's not just any one color, but a whole spectrum of otherworldly light captured in glass. From every angle, the colors and the feeling you get are always different. The OnePlus 8's gorgeous 6.55-inch display is sized to a cinematic 20:9 aspect ratio, giving you more real estate to devour content while still being very comfortable to hold. It has a peak brightness of 1,100 nits, helping you see the screen much better in direct sunlight. With a triple camera design, combining a 48-megapixel Sony IMX586 main camera with optical image stabilization, a 16-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and an independent macro camera. And of course, the OnePlus 8 can shoot 4K video. The built-in hybrid stabilization system combines both OIS and EIS technologies, compensating for bumps and shakes to help you shoot incredibly stable videos on the move. It includes the very best Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 mobile platform and up to 12 gigabytes of boosted RAM. It even has USB 3.1, giving you much faster data transfer speed compared to traditional USB 2.0. Now, the OnePlus 8 is also equipped with a 4,300 milliamp hour battery. And it comes with Warp Charge 30T, our unique fast charging technology. The OnePlus 8 and the OnePlus 8 Pro both fully support 5G. So how about some accessories? The new Bullets Wireless Z, you just have to charge for 10 minutes and you can listen to 10 hours of podcasts, music, whatever you want. And with a full charge, you'll get 20 hours of playback time. The colors include black, blue, mint, or oat. We're excited to bring you 3 cases in his unique style for our new OnePlus 8 series. The Bullets Wireless Z earphones will be $49.95. And for the OnePlus 8, we've got 2 options for you. The 8 128 gigabyte version is $699. And the 12 256 gigabyte version will be $799. And for the OnePlus 8 Pro, we also have 2 options. The 8 128 gigabyte version will retail for $899. 12 256 gigabyte version will be $999.